Climate change is important to PepsiCo because we recognize that it presents a global threat to our communities and our business.
Pepsi is one of the most popular soft drinks in the world, enjoyed by millions of people every day. Personally, Pepsi is one of my favorite drinks. But have you ever wondered how this iconic beverage was created? What is the history of Pepsi? In this video, we'll take a look at the history of Pepsi and explore the story of how it was made and became a million people's favorite soft drink.
What? I wanted a Pepsi.
The early years. The early years of Pepsi were marked by innovation, competition, and even bankruptcy. The early history of Pepsi can be traced back to the late 19th century, when Caleb Bradham, a pharmacist from New Bern, North Carolina, developed a new cola recipe. Bradham initially called his new creation Brad's Drink, but later renamed it Pepsi Cola after the digestive enzyme pepsin, which was one of the ingredients in the soda. Bradham began selling Pepsi Cola in his pharmacy in 1898, and the drink quickly gained popularity. By 1902, he had formed the Pepsi Cola Company and started selling the drink in other locations. Bradham was a savvy marketer, and he positioned Pepsi Cola as a refreshing alternative to Coca-Cola, which was the dominant soft drink at the time. Pepsi's early success was not without challenges, however. In 1913, the company went bankrupt, and Bradham was forced to sell the company to a group of investors. The new owners set out to revitalize the brand, and they did so by introducing new marketing campaigns and expanding the distribution network. One of the most significant innovations during this time was the introduction of the Pepsi bottle. Before this, Pepsi was only available in fountain drinks, but the new bottle made it more convenient for people to enjoy soda at home. The distinctive Pepsi bottle, with its curved shape and red, white, and blue logo, has become an iconic symbol of the brand. In the 1930s and 1940s, Pepsi continued to innovate with new products and marketing campaigns. During World War II, the company introduced a new slogan, "Bigger drink, better taste," which played on the idea that Pepsi was a more substantial drink than Coca-Cola. This slogan proved to be so successful that Pepsi surpassed Coca-Cola in sales during the war years. But this is only the beginning of the great journey of Pepsi. And the beginning starts with an iconic name, the Pepsi generation. The Pepsi generation. In the 1950s, Pepsi Cola introduced one of the most influential and iconic advertising campaigns of all time, the Pepsi generation. This campaign, which ran from 1963 to 1969, was designed to appeal to the younger generation, positioning Pepsi as the drink of the modern, forward-thinking crowd. The concept of the Pepsi generation was developed by the advertising agency BBDO, which had been working with Pepsi for several years.
Now, the more Pepsi you drink, the more great stuff you're going to get.
The campaign was a response to the changing cultural landscape of the 1960s, with the rise of the youth counterculture and the increasing importance of pop culture and mass media. The slogan, the Pepsi generation, was catchy and memorable, and it perfectly encapsulated the idea of youthfulness and progressiveness that Pepsi was trying to convey. The campaign was accompanied by a series of advertisements featuring young, attractive people enjoying Pepsi in various settings, such as at the beach, at a party, or on a date. One of the most significant elements of the Pepsi generation was its emphasis on music and popular culture. Pepsi sponsored several high-profile musical acts, including the Beatles, who starred in a series of Pepsi commercials in the mid-1960s.
Organs play all over again, the human highlight film. On that note, Moses Malone.
Magic was awesome.
Magic? Oh, come on. But I remember Magic a lot. I mean, I remember Bird too, but...
The campaign also featured a range of other pop culture icons, including actor Michael J. Pollard, who appeared in a series of Pepsi ads.
Diet Pepsi, taste that's generations ahead.
The Pepsi Generation campaign was groundbreaking in many ways, not least because it was one of the first marketing campaigns to target a specific demographic. By focusing on young people, Pepsi was able to differentiate itself from its main competitor, Coca-Cola, which was seen as a more traditional and conservative brand. The campaign was also notable for its use of humor and irreverence. Many of the advertisements were designed to be funny and playful, poking fun at the established order and encouraging viewers to embrace a more lighthearted and carefree approach to life. In the years since the Pepsi generation, Pepsi has continued to embrace popular culture and youth marketing. The brand has sponsored numerous musical acts and events, and it has remained at the forefront of advertising trends, using social media and other digital platforms to reach younger audiences. In many ways, the Pepsi Generation campaign was ahead of its time, paving the way for the youth-focused marketing that is so prevalent in today's world. By tapping into the energy and optimism of the 1960s, Pepsi was able to create a brand identity that still resonates with consumers today, nearly 60 years after the campaign's launch. Pepsi today. Today, Pepsi is one of the world's most recognizable and beloved brands with a presence in over 200 countries. While the company has undergone many changes over the years, it remains committed to innovation and marketing, and its products continue to be enjoyed by millions of people around the world. One of the most significant changes at Pepsi in recent years has been the expansion of the product line. In addition to its flagship Pepsi Cola, the company now offers a wide range of beverages, including diet sodas, energy drinks, sports drinks, and bottled water. PepsiCo, the parent company of Pepsi, has also expanded into the snack food market, with brands like Frito-Lay, Quaker Oats, and Tostitos. Pepsi has also continued to embrace new marketing strategies, particularly in the digital realm. The company has a robust social media presence with millions of followers on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. In recent years, Pepsi has launched several innovative marketing campaigns, such as Pepsi Generations, which celebrated the brand's history, and For the Love of It, which aimed to capture the excitement and energy of a new generation of Pepsi drinkers. Another area where Pepsi has been innovative in recent years is sustainability. The company has set ambitious goals to reduce its environmental impact, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions and increasing the use of recycled materials in its packaging. Pepsi has also introduced several new products designed to reduce waste, such as the Drinkfinity system, which allows consumers to mix their own flavored drinks in reusable bottles. Despite the many changes at Pepsi over the years, the brand's commitment to quality and taste has remained constant. Pepsi Cola is still made with the same recipe that Caleb Bradham developed over a century ago, and the company continues to use the highest quality ingredients and state-of-the-art manufacturing processes to ensure that each can or bottle of Pepsi is just as delicious as the last. In conclusion, Pepsi today is a global brand that has evolved and adapted to changing consumer tastes and marketing trends. The company remains committed to innovation, sustainability, and quality, and its products continue to be enjoyed by millions of people around the world. With its rich history and continued focus on excellence, Pepsi is sure to remain a beloved and iconic brand for many years to come.